Hiya guys, welcome to another video. So I've got an AliExpress haul to share with you today. So we've got two parcels that have just arrived this morning from AliExpress. AliExpress has got a massive sale on at the minute as well, guys. So make sure you head on over there. I think the sale might end on the 26th, so you've only got a couple more days to go. I have also got some exclusive discount codes for you guys to use. I'll make sure that I pin them in my comments. So if you do decide to place yourself an order, make sure you pop them in at checkout and that will take the relevant amount off your order. Some really good discount codes there. Everything that I show you today, I'm going to leave links for in my description box below. So if there's anything that you've seen me show today that you're interested in, all you got to do is click that link and it'll take you straight to the item. Really, really easy. What else did I want to say? Also, I'm going to be showing you in the bottom left hand corner of the screen the prices of everything that I show you today as well, just so you haven't got to go over and have a look. It's all going to be there. I'll also put the prices of everything in my description box as well, in case you missed the little picture on the screen. Anyone that's not heard of AliExpress, AliExpress is an online marketplace. They sell pretty much everything from beauty stuff to hair care, pet supplies, electrical items, clothes, shoes, accessories, homeware, furniture, automobile supplies, near enough everything, guys. Anything and everything you can think of, pretty much. And their prices are so affordable. Some people do worry about placing an order on AliExpress in case their order doesn't arrive. They've heard bad stories about AliExpress. Let me tell you now, I have been buying off AliExpress now for about 5 years and I've never had an issue. I have had the odd couple of items that haven't arrived, but I've had a full refund immediately the minute I've reported it not turning up. I have had the odd item that's arrived and it's been wrong. Again, I've received a full refund for them items. So if you are a little bit worried about placing an order because of these things, I can assure you I have not had any issues with them. The shipping times for things to arrive in the UK, I don't know about anywhere else, but in the UK where I am, the shipping times are really good at the moment. I only waited 5 days for these two parcels, guys. 5 days from China. I don't think you can go wrong at that. So yeah, I think that is everything that I need to tell you. Shall we just get on into it and see what we've got? So first up, we've got 3 gel polishes. We've got 2 and a matte top coat. So let's have a look at these. We'll have a look at one of the gel polishes first. So these are from Venalisa store. These are Venalisa gel polishes. You've got your ingredients there if you want to have a quick look at those. These gel polishes are Hema free and TPO free, as you can see it says there. It also says it on the bottle as well. I can't wait to see what this colour's like. It's a beautiful neon green, look at that. Gorgeous colour. I can't tell you what the number is because I can't read it, it's too light. So we've got that one, and then we've got this one. So this is like a nudie base colour. Really nice cover colour that is. So we are going to give them a swatch, and we'll also have a look at this matte top coat as well. Guys, look at that bottle. That bottle is gorgeous, isn't it? It says there as well, matte top coat. I love it. These are really smart, and I love that they're Hema free and TPO free as well. I'd love the whole collection of these. So we're going to give them a swatch and have a little look at them, see what they are like. So we'll have a look at this nude colour first. And they've got them arched bristles, look. That fit really nice in the cuticle area. So let's see what they apply like. Ooh. Guys, look how pigmented that is. I have tried Venalisa gel polishes before, but I've not tried the Hema free ones. So I was curious to see if they was going to be as good quality, but that looks amazing. Look at that, guys. One coat, full cover colour. Really nice cover colour that as well. I like it. Look, you can see how opaque that is. So give that a cure for a minute, and then we will have a look at this neon green. Again, I can't see what number that is, but I'll put it in my description box below so you know, guys. Oh, again, really opaque. Especially for a neon as well. Some neons can be a little bit jellified. This is super creamy. Beautiful, beautiful bright neon green, isn't it? Gorgeous. Again, just showing you there how opaque it is after one coat. That's one very thin coat as well on a clear swatch stick. So now let's have a look at the matte top coat. I have already given them a shiny top coat, and then like I do with all my swatches, I'm just going to go in on the bottom half with the matte. That way you can take a look at the colours, what they look like, both matte and shiny. That feels like a really nice matte top coat as well, and it looks like a really nice matte top coat. Super matte. It's not got that horrible rubbery feel to it either. It's got a really nice smooth feel to it. Look at those. Gonna have to do something with those this week, aren't I? So that's those. Next up, we've got a Makartt Polygel. Called a Daydream, this is. Been wanting this for so long. Inside the box, you've got the instruction manual. Shows you how to prep your nails, apply the polygel, using dual forms, curing. I think it also shows you how to remove as well. I'm not sure. A few Q&As there as well. So we're going to give this a little swatch, see what it looks like. That's the ingredients there as well if you want to have a look through those. Again, this is also a Hema-free formula as well, guys. I am always trying to find Hema-free products for you guys, because I know a lot of you guys do like Hema-free products. I've heard really good things about Makartt Polygel, so I am super excited to try it. Ooh, look at that colour. That is like my go-to nail bed colour. I love it. So we will be doing a set with that very soon. Next up, we've got some Nailpop products. We've got these 3 Nailpop liner gels. These gels you get 8ml in your glass bottles. You've got your ingredients on the back there if you want to just have a quick look at those. So we are going to swatch these, take a little look at them. So this is the black to start with. These brushes are really, really nice. They're going exactly where I want them to go. They're not splaying out down the nail. Oh, I really like these brushes. They're really fine as well. The black is alright, but it's not the blackest liner gel I've ever tried. It's not bad, but I've had a lot more opaque liner gels. But this white, on the other hand, is super opaque. Really, really nice white. I can see me using this a lot. Again, the brush is really, really nice. It's going exactly where I want it to go. Look at that. Very opaque. We'll give that a cure. They all cured beautifully in 1 minute as well. Then we'll lastly take a look at this silver. So this is like a silver chrome. Look at this. Wait till you see how thin of a line you can get with these bristles, guys. The brushes are really, really nice. Look at that. Look at the very end. Look how wispy that very end is. I'm going to be able to do some really nice line work with these liner gels. I'm really enjoying Nailpop stuff at the minute. So we've got some Nailpop full cover tips. And we've got this box as well. This is a multi-shape box. So it's showing you here, these are thicker on the free edge. So they're not going to wear away as quick as the original full cover tips that they brought out. So the original pre-coloured full cover tips that everyone brought out, you really have to apply a builder gel for them to have the right strength on them. As you can see, you get 4 different shapes in this box. You get 112 tips. So this is the square. Now, can you see the free edge is quite a bit thicker than the original full cover tips, but that cuticle area is still nice and thin. I really like the look of these. So that's the square. This is the shape almond. They fit really nice in them cuticle areas. Again, the free edge is that little bit thicker, so the strength is there. The cuticle area is nice and thin and bouncy and flexible. And the tip, the free edge, is nice and stiff, which means the strength is going to be perfect on these. I can see it now. They're going to be really nice tips. So these are, I would say, a medium coffin. My kind of shape these are. I really like these tips, guys. Look how flexible they are in that cuticle area still, though. So they're going to hug them cuticles beautifully. They are etched on the inside as well, so you haven't got to worry about etching them first. Anything that cuts my work time down, I am game. And then lastly, we've got the stiletto. Again, they fit really nice in my cuticle area. I really like the colour of them as well. They have got different colours. Nice and stiff on the free edge and nice and bouncy in that cuticle area. So that is the 4 different shapes that you get in this box. So now let's have a look at these. So these are traceless and natural nail tips. These are more like the original ones that are thinner on that free edge. I mean, don't get me wrong, they're still nice tips, but you just have to apply a builder gel on them to get that strength. Now, I weren't sure about the colour of these, but once I started pulling them apart, that colour gets quite a lot lighter, and it's actually a really nice nude colour. So you get 5 strips of these, and you get 12 on each side, so 24 tips on each strip. Again, these fit really nice in that cuticle area. I'm just going to pull this one off so we can have a proper look at it. So can you see they're a lot thinner on that tip and a lot more flexible. Them cuticle areas look really nice though. So I just want to show you what they look like from the side. I really like how they dip into that cuticle area. So they're going to look really, really natural. Can't wait to give them a try. So these ones are in the shape of medium coffin. There is quite a few different options to choose from on the listing, guys. Different shapes, different colours, etc. And then we're going to have a look at the other pack now. So this pack is medium square. And again, this is a different, and these ones are a different colour. These are slightly more pinker. They look really peach when they're all clumped together, but once you pull them apart, look, they're actually a really nice colour. I really like them. Again, like the coffin ones, they fit beautiful in them cuticle areas. I love when it dips down like that. They just look so natural. It saves me having to go around them cuticle areas with my e-file as well. So we've got those ones as well. I'm not sure if I said or not, you get 120 tips in these packets, guys. So you get plenty there. 12 different sizes as well. Sizes 0 to 11. Next up, we're going to be taking a look at this Nailpop solid nail tip gel. This pot is massive. Look at the size of this pot. I think this is probably the biggest pot of tip gel that I've got. So you get 20 grams of that. Inside the pot looks like this. You've got your protective foil seal, which is really easy to remove. The formula is non-stick, so it's really nice to work with. Can't wait to give this a try. We are going to be using that this week on my nails. So we're going to use that with these tips. What I want to do is, guys, this week, I want to use these ones to do my right hand, and I want to use these ones in the packet to do my left hand. And we're going to use the solid tip gel with these. And we're going to see how well the tips last, and then we'll finish off decorating them with the liner gel. So last up, last but not least, we've got another Nailpop product. And I'm actually really excited to give this a try. Comes really well packaged like this. You got a little plastic stick to help you remove. So what this is a sponge remover solution. So it removes gel, it removes tips. I'm going to leave a note on the screen of the things, what you can use it for. So inside you have your little foil seal, just rip that off. And inside, look, you've got a sponge, and you push your finger into the sponge for so long and it removes product. So I can't wait to give that a try. We'll use that to remove the tips eventually. So that is everything from my AliExpress haul, guys. That is the 2 gel polish swatches again that I showed you earlier. Really nice gel polishes they are. Can't wait to do a design with those. And that is everything that I've showed you in today's video. I am going to leave links for everything that I've showed you today in my description box below. So if there's anything that you're interested in that you've seen me show, all you got to do is click the link and it will take you straight to the item. Like I said earlier as well, AliExpress have got a massive sale on at the moment, and I have also got some exclusive discount codes for you guys. I'll make sure I pin all the discount codes in my comments, so make sure you take full advantage of those if you place an order. Like I said earlier as well, I am going to be using these Nailpop tips. I'm going to try the ones in a box on my right hand and the ones in a bag in my left hand. So I'm going to be doing that this week as well. So make sure, if you're not already subscribed, hit that subscribe button, guys. Click the notification bell. That way you'll be notified when I upload any new videos. And I really hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And I hope to see you in my next one. Take care. Bye.